Hey, we're doing a battery replacement on a 2020 Chevy Trax. These are super easy to do. I'm gonna walk you through it real quick. So you've got a hold down bolt. It's a 13 millimeter. You've got a 10 millimeter for the negative terminal and a 10 millimeter here for the positive terminal. And just loosen these up. Don't have to take the nut all the way off, just enough to loosen them and twist these terminals off. Again, those are 10 millimeters. And 13 millimeter here. And this just pulls up, and you see it kind of snaps in there on the back side. All right, and get these cables off. Twist and pull up. Got that out. Battery is free. We'll pull it out and set the new one in. All right, got the new battery in. Just put it back together in reverse order. Let the hold down, the two terminals, and you are all set. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you.